Morning guys, welcome back to another video guys. So as I promised you guys, I'll be doing updates and the whole pregnancy thing. So yeah, I'm currently at 24 weeks plus. In terms of health-wise, nah, I'm not the best. Guys, I still work. I still go to work like 6 days per week. Most days if I don't have an appointment or I don't have something to do. But I don't sick a lot. But yes, I do feel a lot of pain. Like yeah, most of the times I'm in pain, especially night. Like yeah, that me can't get the best of. Can't get the best of that. So in terms of the gender, because yes guys, I went to do the ultrasound. I did it. I did it. I did it. So yes guys, I did. And it is what you guys think? 1, 2, 3, if. Guys, it is a girl. Oh my god, my first girl. My only girl is gonna be my only girl, my only daughter, because as you guys know, I have 3 boys and I won't be going back down this road, and I think I'm getting too old for this road. So yes guys, I am over 30 plus. So yes guys, I am getting too old and I won't be going back down this road. So it is my last child. And yes guys, it is a girl. She is a girl. So I may still be doing a baby shower. So considering guys, I'm not 100% sure. Yes, all my friends are saying yes, but this minute I said yes, and then the next minute, I'm not sure I want to do this. But anyways, update on that soon. So if I'll be keeping the baby shower guys, you guys will know the date and the time in a few days. Yeah, because I have to set the date from now, because as you know, I'm 6 months, yeah, 24 weeks, 6 months. So I'd have to make that arrangement by the end of the month. So yeah, that is that. And school will be starting on Monday. So my 3 boys will be off to school on Monday. I'll get no video, maybe with Malachi, because I'm the one going to be taking Malachi to school. Because Malachi school is now next to my workplace, like a building, 2 buildings next side and side. Yes guys, so I'm the one who's going to be taking him to school in the morning, because I go to work at 8:30 and his school call at 8:30. So yes, but my older boys will be leaving for school by 6:30. Yes guys, because school call at 8 and they have an hour to travel, or hour and some minutes before they get to school. And then you know, Monday morning traffic and vehicle go off again, and more kids coming out and all of that. So yeah, so yeah. So as I was saying guys, yes, it is a girl, and I know you guys would be like, oh, she's super happy. It wasn't too much of a surprise, because as I know, I was saying like, God give me 3 boys, not give me 4. Like seriously? And I'm not planning to go back. If I have one little girl, God would have to give me a say. God come through. God came through. So yeah, so that's it for now. That's my only one and only daughter. My one and only. No, she not gonna be my pet. No, she not gonna spoil. No. Well, guys, all of my boys are already spoiled. I spoiled all my children. Yeah, I spoiled all my children. All of them. Mario was super spoiled. Ronaldo was super spoiled. Guys, Malachi was spoiled because Malachi like a little man in his own world. Yeah. But no, she's not gonna be spoiled. Not by me. Not by me, maybe by her dad. Because he said he prefer girl children, girl child. He always prefer girls, so maybe she was spoiled by the dad. Not by me. Malika is spoiled in some sense, like especially by his godmother. Yes, guys, she spoiled him. She showered him with love and blessing, even though she's far away from him. But it seems like she's here in Jamaica because she has that passion for that little boy here. I don't know his weakness to her or her weakness to him, because he's Auntie's baby. He's not my child. He's Auntie baby. Whenever she calls, you tell him like, oh, mommy beat me. Mara beat me. Guys, whenever she called, he told her everything. Everything. Good morning, Auntie. How are you doing? You good? That's Malachi. So yeah, he's super prime, guys. Super prime. That's Malachi. So yes, he's Auntie's charm. He's everybody's charm, because persons love Malachi because of his, at his age 2+, he doesn't act like a 2-year-old, guys. He doesn't act like a 2-year-old. Malachi acts as if he's like 5 or 6 and is super smart. Yes, he is, and he's bright for his age. So yes, he's everybody's child. Everybody loves him because he always arguing back, and he always have some things to say, like, why did he say that? How did he know that at his age? Yes, it's a surprise for me too, guys. To be honest, Romario, when Romario was 2, Romario was brilliant. Romario is always a bright boy, always. From birth until now, I'm always looking for great things from Romario. Malachi is similar to Romario, but Malachi is more, maybe the world that we're living in now. As I would always say, the kids that has been born now is internet babies, Google baby, because they're more prime to everything, they're more mature to certain things at that early age. So yeah, like 16 years ago, you know, certain things were in place, but Romario was always bright, always. He could spell his name early. He was always advanced in class, always advanced than most of the children in class, most of the time. With Ronaldo, Ronaldo was always shy. He started out as a slow learner, but then he picks up and he's super smart. Ronaldo learned different from Romario. Ronaldo is like the technology person. Yeah, he's like the technology person. So they give you a phone, your tablet, your computer, yeah. That is Ronaldo. Malachi now, oh my God, he's the headache. He's the headache. Is the headache. But back to what I was saying now. So yes, guys, as I said before, it's a girl. I may be keeping a baby shower. Update on that coming soon. But as I said before, health. I am hypertensive. I am hypertensive. So yes, I have high blood pressure. So you know, I'm always on medication. But guys, sometimes I realize like when I'm taking the meds straight and I go back to clinic, my pressure is higher than normal. Or sometimes when they're checking it, they be getting abnormal. So I have to be checking my pressure 3-4 times before they can get a proper reading, and it is always over 100. And whenever I don't take the pill for the month and I go back to clinic, my pressure reads normal. So something is not right. Something is not right. So most of the time I don't bother to take them. Whenever I go to clinic and say, you're taking them? Yes, I'm taking my meds, because it's a normal reading. Oh, you're doing great today. I did not take any pill for a month. I didn't take any pill for a month. So if I don't take any pill in a month and my pressure is normal, and when I'm taking the pills my pressure is abnormal, something is not right. Because guys, sometimes you get like 2 weeks to go back, sometimes 3 weeks, sometimes a month. It depends on when they do your vitals, the result, they give you a month to come back. If it's more than norm, if it's over the norm, then they'll give 2 weeks or 3 weeks to come back. So yes guys, so sometimes every 2 weeks I'm back at the clinic. So for now guys, that is the update for now. Stay tuned for more in the coming days or maybe a week. So guys, have a blessed day. You know I love you all. Please leave a comment, like, share, invite a new subscriber. Peace out. Love you. Blessings.